Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. And by going into your device's keyboard and then hitting microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If it's not visible, select this gear instead. Then click on voice typing and tap on this switcher next to use voice typing in order to activate it. When you finished, just go back. Now you can click on finally visible microphone icon and start talking. If you want to stop typing, click on the same no blue microphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!